Okay, so I wanted to help teach you all how to paint on silk, how to paint images, how to create images on silk. The piece behind me is not complete. This took approximately 6 hours to do. Of course, I had to stop yesterday and just kind of put it aside for a bit because it can be very time consuming, and literally it can consume my time. Sometimes I kind of get swept away when I work on flags. So anyways, I say all that to say, I think I was kidding myself when I thought I could film and edit a video and put the entire thing from start to finish up, but I can't. There's too many moving parts, and so I can't refilm what I've already filmed. And because of that, let me just say this. I'm going to post pieces of what I've done to this point. And so I'm going to call it a series, but it's going to be kind of choppy. Obviously, you guys know by now, if you've been watching me long enough, I am not a videographer. I am not an editor. I am just a woman who has an iPhone and, uses CapCut to throw things together. Definitely no professional, but I figure if it's together, that's all that matters. So basically, there's several steps to get to this part. So far, I have built a frame and I've stretched the silk. So I'm gonna put building a frame and stretching a silk in one part. Then I'm going to put in another part the tracing of the image onto the silk, and the painting of the silk may go on a second. I don't know how many parts this is going to go into, but when I did this section right here, I was at 70 minutes, guys. And I actually tried to upload it to YouTube, and it told me it was going to take 69 hours, and that's just not feasible. So, I was trying to upload from my phone, and I know that going in and out of areas where there's Wi-Fi would really kind of cause that upload to fail more than likely. And so to make it a little easier, I'm going to break this down into pieces. I will title each section of this series, such as building a frame and stretching the silk, in one. Because the building of the frame is super, super short. It doesn't take much to build the frame. It's just basically some general information. And then the stretching of the silk doesn't take very long. I think kind of where the longest part of the video took place was, I did a lot of talking and discussing as I was mixing the dyes, preparing for this. And I may have that as a whole separate video. I think I will. Just bear with me, give me grace as I put this thing together. And when I get to the next part, which will be the painting of the background and putting all the colors and blending and doing all of that stuff, I'll definitely be mindful that it's going to be a separate video altogether. And so it may not feel as choppy as these other pieces may feel. Also, I say all that to say I am also going to make a separate playlist specifically for this flag so that it's all in one area and you don't have to go searching through my how to make silk flags videos, because there's quite a few of those in there as well. And if I can, I will refer you back to some of those videos and give links to get to them so that you can, do certain things like putting the rod pockets on or sewing the edges, those sorts of things. But yes, this is going to be a completely separate playlist. I'm going to put this video that I'm filming right now in my DIY silk worship flags so that you will know to go search for the other playlist. But this one I'm just not going to have in there independently because, well, I think it's going to need its own playlist because it's going to have a lot of moving parts to it. And I hope that putting all the videos together will give you all you need to maybe not create this particular image, because this is obviously my image, but it'll give you everything you need to create your own image on your own flags. Yeah, so look forward to these series coming out. If you are not already subscribed to me here on YouTube, be sure to subscribe, click the bell. It gives you notifications so you know when the new videos are popping up. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and get this one up, and then I'll probably try to get up the frame and the stretching of the silk today, because at some point today I'm probably going to try to work on this flag again. I just have to make sure I have enough time, because once I start going on the background, I have to keep going. I can't stop. So yeah, all right, I will talk to you guys soon.